Hey guys! In this video, I'm gonna show you how I made this dream catcher. Here, I made this 6 inches hoop using my aluminum wire, and I used this clip to hold the yarn into place. Now, I'm going to do is to wrap this wire or this hoop with this t-shirt yarn by looping it around a few times. Just going to wrap it around the entire hoop. But always make sure that you wrap it entirely and tightly. And once you get to the end later on, just tie a knot. Then cut it, but leave this little yarn, enough for you to have this little holder. So this is what it looked like. Here I'm gonna use this glittered thread, and I'm going to tie it in a nice tight knot. Now I'm gonna start looping this thread around. As you can see, I'm just gonna make same step the entire process. Here I'm not gonna measure my loops. I'll just make sure that I'm doing the same length. As you can see, I'm spacing them evenly. Now that I'm done with my loop around or my first layer, I'm gonna start weaving the second layer, and I'm gonna put each knot on the first loop that I created. This I'm bringing the thread around through the first layer and making sure that the knots are in between my first layer loop. Just continue doing this step. So now, as you can see, I'm starting to make a web shape. I'm just gonna continue the same step of weaving. I'll use this one because it's kinda hard going into holes. And now here in the last layer, I'm gonna use my remaining thread to double this one, just to form this round shape in the center like this, as you can see. And then I'm gonna tie a knot just to secure. I did this round shape at the center. Then I'm gonna put this one, this tiny bell, here. And knot it tightly a few times to secure. So here, I'm gonna use this felt to make my unicorn ears. And I'm gonna cut around 3 inches. Also for the horn, I'm gonna use this remaining felt that I cut out for the ears. I'm gonna cut it right here. Then glue it using this glue stick. Also do the same with the horn. Then after this, I'm gonna use this glittered thread to wrap the horn and to make this nice effect. As you can see, I use this to insert the thread inside. Then just glue it inside. You can use cotton for stuffing this one, but since I don't have cotton, I'm gonna use this remaining felt I had from the one that I cut out for ears and the horn. So I'm gonna insert it inside like this just to fill it in. Now I'm starting to wrap this horn using this thread. I'll just gonna wrap it around like this. Then to attach this horn using again the glue or the glue gun. And for the ears, just hold or fold like this. Then I'm gonna glue it here in the middle. And now it's time to attach the ears on the both sides. Then I'm also adding these flowers on top. For the bottom part of the dream catcher, I'm going to use this multicolored t-shirt yarn to create a rainbow effect. Also, I'm gonna cut this embroidery yarn and I'm gonna add it here on the bottom. Now, as you can see, this is now my dream catcher. But lastly, I'm gonna add these feathers here. And we're done. I hope you like it, guys.